aniga hadalkayga aad buu gaban yahay. Garissa beerleyda Garissa, assalaamu calaykum. Iska warama wala daalay waa ogsoon yahay. Mimi waziri and PS, I promise that I'll be very, very brief. Lakini my 2 points. Number 1, I'm sure you have seen 2 great potentials. I told you of a huge of arable land. We are not even using 2%. Do what we can do. The other potential, PS Waziri, nimeona kwamba we have a huge potential for value. So that's why when this KIPE issue was brought about, I was among the first 18 governors to say I want one in Garissa. Na among the first 5 counties ambayo wata operationalize hiyo project next year, God willing. And that's why already we have identified the 5 or there's a lot of waste, and therefore one of the first we'll undertake in that KIPE project is to process our camel milk into powder. So the other thematic area, Waziri, is the sunflower oil processing. Now PS Rono and our sister Orella, we have seen kwamba sunflower can be a big story in Kenya. The third one is rice milling. You know, when we talk about rice growing in this country, you can see for yourself the potential for rice farming in our county. What I want to say, sina mambo mengi, but the first what I want to tell you ni kwamba where there is land, where there is water for farming, there is no land. Hii Kenya nyingine hiyo imejaa. Si ni kweli? Where there is water in central, in east and western, hakuna tena land, imejaa. But where we have land, ambayo in northern Kenya, hatuna maji. So it is a you know, an irony which we need to deal with, and that's why we want to get water here so that we can do more farming. Finally, as I conclude, mtu wetu wa AFC, asante kwa kusema kwamba uko na loans ya farmers wetu. Mimi nataka the earliest possible uje unitafute the farmers network. Mimi nitakutengezea sheria compliant product ya watu wa Garissa. Usitafute mtu mwingine. The father of Sharia compliant banking in this country is here in front of you. Tumekubaliana? Where is that gentleman? Nimeona yule mzee wetu yuko wapi? Bas huyo Abdullahi, yes, you are there. And Abdullahi, are you around? Yes, please get time with this gentleman. Muda mnitafuta ili Sharia compliant product ili niweze kuchukua hiyo mashamba. Ya mwisho, kumalizia kabisa, I want to agree with the Metadeko and also the PS Rono. Next year, inshallah ta'ala, Garissa agriculture, ili watu watoke sehemu mbalimbali ya dunia wajionee what you people are able. Waxyaaba aad qaban kartiin waxaan aad maanta meesha aan tusteen inaan Kenyaanka aan tusno. Abdullahi hadda maanta sheemanka uu ka yahay inaad aan isku imaano si u dhow. Waa jira waxyaaba badan isla qabanayno. Aan isku imaano, aan si fiican aan u samayno strategy oo beeraha iyo beeraleyda aan wax ugu sii qaban insha Allah. oo idinkan aad ogsoontihiin beeraleyda balambala waxaan garanayaa beero weyn ba ku yaali jiray oo laakiin wabigii baa ka tegey wabigii hadduu ka tegey hadda maalin wabigii waan la xarbinay hadda wabigii waan u keenay mar dhow ayagana waxaan doonaynaa reer beeraleyda balambala in ayagan hadda beerahooda ay hagaajistaan si meel kasta countiga beeraha si fiican looga fasho intaasna kusoo gabagabayn hadalkayga